Our next topic is transgenic animals. Okay. Now, what are transgenic animals? Animals that have their DNA manipulated to possess and express an extra foreign gene are known as the transgenic animals. Okay. So, ज्या animals'चो DNA manipulate करता to possess and express अँड एक्स्ट्रा फॉरेन जीन म्हणजे दुसरी जीन फॉरेन जीन म्हणजे दुसरी जीन तेतून जेन्ना इन्सर्ट करता आणि ताका एक्सप्रेस ती जीन एक्सप्रेस करता तेन्ना ताका आमी म्हणटा ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सम ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल्स आर रेट्स, रॅबिट्स, पिग्स, sheeps, cows and fish. Now, reason for producing transgenic animal. Why we require transgenic animal? Why we are producing transgenic animal? So there are various reasons. The first one is the normal physiology and development. So to check whether the gene introduced is normal and it helps in development or no. So before introducing any treatment or drugs or any manipulated DNA in human, it is first tried on the transgenic animal. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the normal physiology and development. So here the transgenic animals are specifically designed to study how genes are regulated. So transgenic animals whose genes have modified, they are designed to study how genes are regulated inside them. Okay, how they affect the normal function of the body and its development. Whether म्हणजे त्यांचे जे जीन इंट्रोड्यूस केल्ले आसा ते नॉर्मल फंक्शन्साचेर बॉडीचेर इफेक्ट करता, नॉर्मल डेवलपमेंट जी जाता तेचेर इफेक्ट जाता काय ना ते चेक करपा खातीर आमी ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल्स प्रोड्यूस करता. एक्झाम्पल, स्टडी ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॅक्टर इन्वॉल्व इन ग्रोथ फॅक्ट सच एज इन्सुलिन लायक ग्रोथ फॅक्टर. ओके, सो तुमी एक लास्ट एक्झाम्पल पळयल्लें ह्युमन इन्सुलीन कशें प्रोड्यूस करता ते. ओके, सो पयलीं ते एनिमल्सा पासून प्रोड्यूस करताले, आतां ह्युमनूच जीन इंट्रोड्यूस करता टू प्रोड्यूस द ह्युमन इन्सुलीन. सो ताचे कितें परिणाम आसा काय ना ते पयलीं आमी ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल्साचेर चॅक करता. By introducing genes from other species that alter the formation of this factor and studying the biological effects that result. Okay, this is the result. Okay, so आमी कितें करता, जीन्स भितर इंट्रोड्यूस करता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन इन्सुलीन, आनी तेजो कितें इफेक्ट जाता काय ना मनशाचेर ते आमी पयलीं ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल्सान स्टडी करता. So information is obtained about the biological role of the factor in the body. So तेजे सगळे information record करता of that animal, whether is there any effect or no. So already we are studying. The second one is the study of diseases. So here many transgenic animals are designed to serve as model for human. So disease study करपा खातीर आमी ट्रान्सजेनिक एनिमल्सांचो यूज करता एज अ मॉडल to study the diseases in human, so that investigation of new treatment for disease is made possible. So new treatment दिवपा खातीर ते आमकां हेल्प करता. Transgenic model exists for many human diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis and Alzheimer's. So I'll show you here example. So transgenic models first, before introducing into the human, they are introduced into the animal. So for example, to treat the cancer diseases, then disease like arthritis. This is the आर्थरायटीक पेशंट, ताचे कशें जाता पळय फिंगर्स बीन ताचे बोन्स जे आसा ते बेंड जाता. दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ आर्थरायटीस म्हणटा ताका आमी रुमॅटॉयड आर्थरायटीस. सो यू कॅन सी दिस इज द एक्सरे ऑफ द फिंगर्स हाव दे फॉर्म रुमॅटॉयड आर्थरायटीस. देन सिस्टीक फायब्रोसीस. cystic fibrosis, they take place in the lungs. Okay, so alveoli are damaged here, so you can see healthy with the lumen space, whereas when cystic fibrosis take place, the lumen is reduced, increased mucus secretion take place. So it related to so if the cystic fibrosis occurs, many problems, health related problems are caused, such as sinus problem, nose polyps, salties, or trouble breathing, abnormal pancreas function, trouble digesting food, and so to study such these diseases, many transgenic animals are designed to serve as a model. Now another example assertion, that is the Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease, you can see this is the healthy brain and this is the deformed brain, or you can see the cortex is reduced, shrinks. So this is called as the Alzheimer disease when it is shrink. So what happens if the person suffers from Alzheimer symptom? This is a rare disease and it is a genetic disease. So confusion with time and location, that person suffering cannot he is confused with time and where he is. The difficulty in completing familiar tasks, misplacing item, difficulty solving problem, memory loss, poor judgment, unfounded emotions, difficulty with words, trouble with images and spaces, withdrawal from social activities. If such symptoms are noticed in the person, then he is suffering from the Alzheimer's disease. Then third reason for producing the transgenic animals are biological products. So transgenic animals that produce useful biological products can be created by the introduction of the portion of DNA or genes which codes for a particular product, such as human protein. So that is alpha-1 antitrypsin used to treat emphysema. Okay. आता transgenic animal as a third useful किरेसा, they are used to produce useful biological products. Means transgenic animal genes are used to produce the biological products, such as, for example, human protein. Okay. So असे एनिमल्स प्रोड्यूस करतात जे म्हणजे से फॉर एक्झाम्पल ह्युमन प्रोटीन जी आसा अल्फा-1 एंटीट्रायसिन जी एम्फिसेमाक यूज करता. सो ती प्रोटीन ताजो DNA और जीन्स काढून एनिमल्सान घालता आणि पयलीं तेजे एनिमल्सा पासून सेम प्रोटीन जी आसा ती एनिमल्स प्रोड्यूस करूंक शकता काय ना ते पयलीं चॅक करता. सो ती जीन इन्सर्ट केल्या पण सेम इफेक्ट जावंक शकता काय ना, म्हणजे सेम लायक अ ह्युमन प्रोटीन म्हणजे ते चॅक करता. ओके. So this is the emphysema is a chronic obstructive lung disease characterized by alveolar damage. So ही जी प्रोटीन आसा ती emphysema ट्रीट करपा खातीर यूज करता. So emphysema is a disease which affects the alveoli of the lung. Okay, alveoli damage जाता. Also for treatment of phenylketonuria (PKU), then cystic fibrosis, just I will explain to you. Now phenylketonuria, it is caused because of the phenylpyruvic acid. Okay, when actually in the protein in our diet is converted phenylalanine to tyrosine. Okay, so instead of producing tyrosine, it directly produces the phenylpyruvic acid and it is accumulated, and as a result phenylketonuria take place. So symptoms of phenylketonuria: mental retardation, mousy, body odor, light skin color, eczema, excessive muscular tension and activity. So to treat these diseases also biological transgenic animals are used. Then another example, in 1997 the first transgenic cow Rosie produced human protein enriched milk 2.4 grams per liter. Okay. So he 1997 Rosie cow, and तिका नाव Rosie दिलेले. It is the first transgenic cow which produces exactly like human milk. Okay, so human protein enrichment, that is also 2.4 grams per liter. इथले human protein असता भितर 2.4 grams per liter in the cow's milk. So जशी cow's milkan हे असता. So रोजी द काव तिका नाव रोजी दिल्ले आसा. So this is the first transgenic cow, okay, which also produces the human protein enriched milk. The milk contained the human alpha lactoalbumin and was nutritionally more balanced product for human babies than a natural cow milk. Natural cow milk जे आमचे नॉर्मल काव असता तेतून ही प्रोटीन जे असता ती एब्सेंट असता. सो दॅट्स वाय वी यूज ट्रान्सजेनिक काव. हे ट्रान्सजेनिक कावजान ती प्रोटीन जे आसा ती इंट्रोड्यूस केल्ली आसा, जीन ती इंट्रोड्यूस केल्ली आसा, अँड इट प्रोड्युसीस एक्झॅक्टली द सेम मिल्क एज ह्युमन मिल्क. So those mothers who cannot produce milk or cannot breastfeed the babies, it is very good bone or beneficial for those babies. Now the next one is the vaccine safety. Transgenic mice are being developed for use in testing the safety of vaccine before they are used on humans. Okay, पयलीं ते कितें करता, वॅक्सीन सेफ्टी कशें करता, सेफ आसा काय ना ते ह्युमन बिंग्साचेर यूज करच्या पयलीं सेफ आसा काय ना ते कशें टेस्ट करता. दे यूज द मायस आर नथींग बट द रेड. ओके, ट्रान्सजेनिक मायस म्हणजे तेतून जी तेंचे जीन मॉडिफाय करून तांचेर पयलीं टेस्ट करता वॅक्सीन सेफ आसा काय ना. मागीरूच if it is safe, it is not showing any symptoms or any dysfunctions in their body or harmful effect, or they show normal development, then only it is introduced into the human. Transgenic mice are being used to test the safety of the polio vaccine. The best example is the polio vaccine. So polio vaccine पयली transgenic miceचेर test करले, then only it is used on human beings. If successful and found to be reliable, they could replace the use of monkeys to test the safety of batches of the vaccine. आणि अशें करून जर ट्रान्सजेनिक मायस डिफरंट वॅक्सिनाक जर सपोर्ट करपाक जालें, फर्दर इट वील रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ मंकीज ऑल्सो. थोडे वॅक्सिन्स मंकीजाचेरूय टेस्ट करताले, सो दॅट कॅन बी रिप्लेस so use of the monkeys. So polio is one of the example. Then the last one is the chemical safety testing. So transgenic animals are used to test the chemical safety or the toxicity. Transgenic animals are made that carry genes which make them more sensitive to toxic substances than non-transgenic animals. So त्यांच्या भितर genes घालता जे sensitive to toxic than the non-transgenic. They are then exposed to the toxic substances and the effect study. हे त्यांच्या भितर ट्रान्सजेनिक जीन्स घातले कनी परत ते टॉक्सिक सबस्टन्सा कडेन तांकां एक्सपोज करता आनी तेंचेर इफेक्ट स्टडी करता. खरेंच तेंचेर इफेक्ट जाता काय ना, कितलो इफेक्ट जाता. सो टॉक्सिसिटी टेस्टिंग इन सच एनिमल्स वील अलाव टू ऑप्टेन रिजल्ट इन लेस टायम. सो डायरेक्टली मनशाचेर यूज करच्या परस ते मायसांचेर यूज केले, तेंचेर स्टडी केली कानी इफ दे आर सेफ, दे आर नॉट शोईंग एनी सिम्पटम, देन दे कॅन बी यूज in the human beings. So I hope you have understood why transgenic animals are used. Okay.